Okay, he's not happy. Oh, look out. He says, I'm just waking up. Come on, Lou. Come on. Give Sheldon a break. Let him come out and eat some food on a rainy day. Come on, Lou. Come on, Range. Come on, guys. Good boys. Come on, Shell. There you go. It's a light meal today. You'll come out in the rain, won't you, Ranger? Ranger, stay here. Good boy. Look at him. Says, okay, Ran. I'll come and get it. Here he comes. He's making his move. He doesn't want to leave that heated igloo. Tortoise Lou. Oh, shellers. Anything for a little romaine, carrots, and apple. Range.